So I got 12 over -9 for the first one. Reduce your fraction. Always reduce your slope. Divide the top and bottom by 3. And then for my answer, I don't like negatives on the bottom. I like them in the top, so I just moved it. That's okay to do. So this is gonna have the same slope in the graph as this. And if it was typed, the negative would be directly in the middle. And all of those are gonna come out the same way if you do them correctly. What you don't want is like both the top and bottom negative. That doesn't happen. +7 for number 2. I just remembered you asked me that. You want to do this right now? I did it yesterday. You were supposed to do that book and then down the bell or tomorrow. All right, so for 4, I ended up with 2 negatives, making it a +5 over a +11. Okay, when you're done with these 4, you can flip. Next page. What's it say? Mm-hmm. Yeah, where is it? Okay, so I went ahead this top page. And y equals mx plus b, I wrote that up on the board a couple days ago, but I haven't talked much about it. That m value is always the slope of a line, and that's typed here. And then that b value, that's the y-intercept, where it goes to the y-axis. Mm-hmm.
First, if they're both negative numbers, that makes
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Because if you move like down is negative and left is negative. So if you do that move between 2 points, it really is a positive slope. Okay, so I haven't written point slope on the board yet. I've written slope intercept form. I've written standard form. And now I'm telling you, yesterday I told you there was a slope formula. And this is called point slope form. And it's probably the thing you're least familiar with. But they use it in ACE Math and pre-calc too with like some kind of complicated wavelengths and things like that. So this is called point slope form. The thing about point slope form is it has subtraction signs in it. It really is just this exact thing rewritten. Those are equivalent. Actually, all of those things are equivalent. So just be really careful. The subtraction signs in point slope form. That means that the x value and y value sign is switched. I don't know if you want to write that, but I'll show you what I mean here on our examples. Okay, so looking at number 5, what point does this line pass through? We're thinking of y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So here's our y and here's our x. 6, 3 is the point that you see when you're looking at that equation. Because if I put 6 in here, it would look like x minus 6. And if I put 3 in here, it would look like y minus 3. So those numbers are not negative. Those are positive coordinates plugged into a subtraction formula. Slope. Right? Slope is 2. So pretty much every number in that equation is useful and important. So now we're going to do work. We're going to simplify. So distribute and combine like terms to rewrite. I'm going to do mine off to the side. I don't know where you're going to fit yours. I'm going to distribute first. And then I'm going to add the 3 to get y by itself. And this is the slope intercept form that we're looking for, where y is by itself. So it's a distribution and a combining like term that takes you from point slope to slope intercept. So I'll give you a minute. Try number 6, more difficult because of the fractions. Don't write a decimal, keep it in fraction form.
Teachers, please pardon the interruption. We're going to do a staggered release again due to the inclement weather, but also dance practice and JROTC have been canceled today. But at this time, only release bus riders. Bus riders release quickly.
You are saved. You guys are saved by their name. I'm gonna keep going. Goodbye, bus rider. Hi. No. Leave it there. You can finish it tomorrow. Make sure you write your assignment down. I might have to spend, some time on it since we didn't do very many problems. / any. I'm just gonna finish this one, you guys, and then they can just copy it tomorrow or something. I guess the bus people really want to get home, so you know, if I drove a bus, I'd be really happy that we were starting early. So go in peace, bus drivers. Go in peace. Traffic is no joke. Okay, so I do have there's a faculty meeting today, like, so if you want to do it tomorrow, I mean, if you already plan on doing today, you can. But if you want to just do it tomorrow, that's fine with me too, since I'm faculty meeting. I think I can. Oh, I was thinking it was gonna be digital. I don't know. I was thinking I was gonna do it through here at my desk, and then you could still be here. So I need to check my email. Sometimes we all go to the auditorium, and sometimes we just Zoom. Okay, 7/2 minus 5/1. I'm gonna get a common denominator of 2, 10. So I have a -3/2 there. So 6, our point is +7, -5. Slope is -1/2. Can you believe they released so early? But you didn't see that happening.